I warmly welcome all my sweet little children. We are bringing you more Christmas decorations with DP Kids today. So get ready with all the paper that you have to make a new Christmas decoration in the form of a jingle bell. We are going to make a jingle bell. So because it's quite relevant and quite important for Christmas, it's quite easy. So we'll make it and see. For this, now we need a 15 into 15 centimeter piece of paper, and then we have to fold it in half like this. Then fold it in half again to the opposite direction. Open it up, then fold it in so that there's about a 1 centimeter edge here, little piece like that. Then turn it around, bring this upper edge to the middle. Again, do the same thing to the other side. Push them in properly. Now pull this down like this. This corner now needs to come to the middle, but it's slanted, not straight. Do the same with the other side, slanted. Now these two need to go and touch each other. Now there's a little middle part here, right? So we are going to fold this in to get a little shape of a triangle, and do the same thing on the other side. Now turn it around. You'll see a bell. Now we can apply some glue onto our holly leaves that we made in an earlier video and apply it and paste it onto the bell. See how nice it looks? A very pretty, sweet little bell. You can hang it with a little piece of string, or paste it onto another piece of paper like this, a circular piece of paper maybe, right? So I want you all to try this and try it with different colors. We will meet you with another video quite soon. Goodbye.